from production and test. Do we have to wait until workflow 2 is completed to do the next ingestion, or can we trigger workflow 1 again?
It's up to you.
No, I mean from your experience, where is the error rates on it?
If we have to wait to finish the workflow 2 for the subject sheet.
Okay, so let's wait until that is done and then we'll ingest the next one.
How much file size of the citizenship?
It's a fairly light one. There aren't too many lessons. You can check it on the spreadsheet that I shared with you.
Not too large.
Hi, Anik.
I guess verified the lesson generations and it's generating quite alright, but not in chronological order.
Okay. I don't think we have specified a particular order per se.
Because it started with lesson 7. Like after lesson 1 came like after 15 lessons were generated.
Yeah. It's not in order. So, for example, if it triggers it, it will update it as and when it finishes. So, if the content is large for lesson 1, it might get updated later. But I think that's okay so long as we know how to share this within the classroom.
Okay, and there are other lessons that do not have the lesson numbers, like it's just plain citizenship, no lesson number, no lesson title.
Yeah, let's see. You mean the main topic and subtopic, etc., is not there?
Yes, and the lesson number. Because it's with the lesson number that we can easily classify the documents.
Yeah, I say that. Is it only for citizenship, or did we notice this for the other subjects also?
Since we started with citizenship today,
Yeah, even yesterday's ones also it is there. I think Joseph is not on the call. I'm going to share my screen for a little bit just to explain it to you, Shamsul Huda. So while that process is running, you can see my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Yes, I'm seeing.
So you see here, we have what is the lesson number, subject, class, main topic, and subtopic. I take offense on this topic, but can you see that? We have this breakdown in the beginning. This is important because when we configure this in the delivery for teachers, we do it in this order: lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3 under these topics. So some of that, like if you look at this, it doesn't have that outline here. It's missing those details. Some of the lesson notes. Can you see? I'm just copying it. So as you can see here, some of the header information is missing on the lesson notes. So now we are not sure which lesson note this is. This one has it, for example. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is one observation. That is one of the issues that we are facing today. Okay, let me stop sharing.
generate the lesson note. It will select the topic from it select the lesson topic from progression report. Okay, can you hear me?
I can. Are you sharing your screen?
Okay. Are you see me share? Yeah, my screen.
Not yet. It's coming up. We can see.
In workflow 2, to generate the lesson note, it select the topic from progression report. Okay.
Yes.
When it needs the progression, the topic this is general division, evaluation, and limitation. It select it search the database. It search the database from the text in so this database general division, evaluation, and limitation. First of all, it saves the topic. Then it searches the text relevant of this topic. Okay. When it gets the data in relevant of this topic, then it make lesson notes. So sometimes it get the blank data. Then it will also search division and end of year. This is it search the data division and end of a year evaluation. So related text from the textbook, and that's why. And sometimes it means the lesson number and others topic.
Can you show in the code how it is done so that we can maybe take the most prevalent one in generating and submit that?
First of all, we retrieve all data like documents that means textbook, progression report, and curriculum documents. Textbook, progression documents, curriculum documents. Then it selects the documents. Then it retrieves documents already. All document for textbook. Textbook and progression documents.
Yes, Yanni.
Madam, I don't think there's a reason why the lesson numbers are not that good. Okay, let's take for example, let's say the protection of the family, that is number cell, row number 334.
Uh,
On the progression sheet, it shows that there is lesson 5. It's written beside it, L5, institutions and measures of family protection,
uh,
and that is what is in the lesson. As from the introduction of the presenter, it shows today we will learn about the important situation and measures that protect families. It shows that there is lesson 5. But here there's no classification like lesson number and lesson title.
yeah. We're trying to figure out why. So we're going to go through the run through and see where they're actually writing that information. Because when you're generating the lesson note, Shamsul Huda, we already know what is the subtopic. So I'm not sure why it may not understand that. In this case, they know it. In the other examples, also they should know it. We just need to identify where they are getting the details from and update it.
In this footnote, we just separate. First of all, we get all data, textbook, progression documents, and curriculum in this notes.
Okay.
Documents, links, progression documents, and curriculum. Then we separate only progression documents with this footnote. This footnote. Okay, we separate all data. So then we embedding the progression documents. We embedding all progression documents here. Then then we retrieve data from textbook and curriculum books. Okay. From textbook curriculum books. Documents, documents and curriculum to retrieve data with the embedded data, with the embedded code, we retrieve documents, textbook and curriculum data, relevant chunk. Then all the chunk then we make a system prompt. You are an expert citizenship teacher for Form 1 students. Okay. However, subjects and curriculum, it will make lesson notes from subject and curriculum, and it will select the topic from provision documents.
Yes.
If there is a topic like a qualification of a good citizen, it was a topic. Then it searches all data from the textbook and curriculum sheet relevant to the a good qualification of a citizen. Then it will retrieve the all data and it will make the lesson notes from this data, from this content. Okay.
Uh-huh.
It did not any topics, that means there are lesson number and lesson topics, but when it did not get lesson topics, but it get any text or any symbol, and then it starts the data, and then it starts the relevant things like slash, hyphen, and space. It will retrieve all these things, and it will search the text from these books, the relevant topic. One did not give any lesson number, then it will retrieve others data. For example, at first it will embedding all these things. Okay, through all text notes. It will embedding all this text. Then it will search the text relevant topic. When it will did not get the relevant topic, then it did not put the lesson topic.
Let's go back to the node and see if we can actually enforce. So if they can't find it in the first stage, so close this and show the output of this node. So here when it, no, yeah, go back to that node. Not this one. Yeah, that. Show me an example of this output. Not here. You see in the JSON structure itself, we should like see it here, which has a subject, class level, lesson number, lesson title. If it is empty, I think we should maintain it updated from the lesson node generated. So see here, like we should not exit this node until this output has these values correctly. So main body has the information. So even if it comes through incorrectly, we should be able to populate it as a final check. Do you follow what I mean? think that is another issue. If it continues to execute when one particular lesson is not there, we don't have a notification about it. Let's see. Tim, I'm stepping away for 2 minutes. I'll be right back.
Okay, on the subflow, all of our workflow has executed, all of our lesson notes has been generated, but there was one that was missing.
Hello, Shamsu. There is a concern that is raised regarding a couple of lessons being duplicated. I don't know if you can look into that. Yannick, can you isolate those instances and share in the chat? Maybe copy two links and share, or that of the duplicate, lesson duplicates. Okay, okay, so with the lesson titles, so it shows the lesson title, they have the same lesson title when you enter into the lesson link, you see similar lesson generator. Okay, I don't know, Shamsu, do you understand what is being explained regarding the duplicate?
Actually, I didn't understand clearly.
Some of the lessons that okay, four times from twice, over on top of the Excel number 234, the conversion of the family to 236 the same lesson.
The sound was low, that's why I cannot hear.
Okay,
Mr. Joseph
that is Shamsu, look at cell number 234 through to 236. They are the same lessons being generated. That's one lesson generated three times. Has three duplicates.
Can you explain it sharing the screen?
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, here you have, this is 234. 235, 236. Okay. So if you
Okay, I understand. Maybe it did not find the lesson topics. That's why it is lesson topics and lesson notes, lesson number. That's why it did not generate it. And yesterday I had some changes in the in our OpenAI model. So yeah, you can try it today again. I hope it will be clear. But in today's lesson generation, citizenship books, is there any problem like this?
you're talking of the duplicate problem, or you're talking of failure in generating?
Sorry.
Because
This
right
is
now
this
we
is
just have
today's one, Shamsul Huda. This is citizenship.
Okay. Is there any problem like this is there?
Yes, this is today's one, but we are generating right now.
There is a problem. I think it has no topics. That's why it did not generate any content. Okay. But when it is not, it didn't get any topics, any lesson notes. That's why we got error yesterday. Will you share my screen?
the other question I have is evidently we are doing this test in test mode using the test URL. So I hope there will be no issue if we switch to production.
We figured that issue out. So if you look at it, I think when we generated it, we interchanged the subject and class. We put form 1 where we should have put citizenship, and citizenship where we should have put form. So we'll test it again once this citizenship is done. Let's test it again that it's working in production. Team, we are getting towards the end of this call. I really do want the support until we do like all the 30 subjects, which is the goal for today. So we need to maintain support line, but maybe for the next couple of generations, let's continue to have this call because it's good to have this live review. So if you can give another meeting link because this meeting is going to end now. So please keep that prepared. Let's rejoin. Let's have this call continuing for the next couple of hours for at least for a few hours so the team can work with you all together. And then let's maintain the support line through the chat channel.
Okay, I will support my best and Mr. Joseph always muted me, so I will support always. But it will be more smooth when if I can support without any obstacle if you can do it at 10 p.m. from Bangladesh. But this time, I hope I can help you.
What is the times you have availability?
At this time, I can help you, but my time availability is 10 p.m. from Bangladesh.
Okay.
Because there are
today,
network issues.
For today, we
Yes.
have availability throughout the whole day, correct?
Hope I can do it, but there is electric and network issue I'm facing. That's why I am from you.
Okay, yeah. Of course, if it is external circumstances like that, we cannot like that is beyond your control. But what I mean is have availability at least for one
Yes.
day today because it is good
Yes.
for us to review this.
Yes.
Because already we found 3 bugs, right? And like 3 issues that we have noticed. So this is good. Let's continue this on another link. I don't know if this meeting link is going to wind up. So let's continue this on another link. Please share the link and we will continue and then we will go through some of these new bugs that we are reporting. The real objective today is that Yannick's team can actually generate all 30 of those subjects, those lesson notes. So that is our target for the day. All right, please continue and QAAGA, if you can share the other meeting link also so we can rejoin there, that is also good.
Client QAAGA, are you here? Okay, you can share the meeting link with QAAGA. I will join.
Let's do that. See you again in a few minutes.